Good morning all of you. My name is Vishal Singh Gaya. Today I am here to tell you about my preparation for the upcoming exam. So basically my preparation is about not that much difficult, but only 15 to 12 hours of study can make you to score a higher can you make you to score higher marks. So without taking any stress, you could easily prepare for the board exam, because by taking the stress, the board exam cannot be changed or cannot be postponed. So basically the thing is that only a few weeks are left for the board exam. So at your home, study well and blessed. Thank you.
Greetings to all, I am Divyanshi and today I am going to tell about my preparation of exams. So well, I have not taken much tension about my exams and I have prepared well without being stressful. So I have prepared a timetable and I am working upon it. Especially I am focusing on the subjects in which I am so much weak. For example, in maths. So I have prepared a schedule and I am working upon it very strictly. So at last I want to say that you should not take much tension about your exams. Thank you.
Good morning. Today I am Vedant Pandey and I am here to express my feeling on my upcoming exam and how I will deal with them. First of all, when the date sheet came, I was very nervous and stressed that what will happen in the exam and how many marks I will score. Then I motivated myself. Now I keep my mind calm and relaxed during examination. I will not take tension about the marks. At last, I just want to say that we have to celebrate our exam as a festival, not as a fear. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम प्रगति बोरा है और अपने बोर्ड की परीक्षाओं के लिए मैंने अपनी तैयारी कुछ इस प्रकार की। सबसे पहले मैंने निरंतर रूप से अपने हर विषय पे ध्यान दिया और सुबह का समय मैंने अपने याद करने वाले विषयों को दिया। वह गणित और विज्ञान की मैंने निरंतर तरीके से प्रैक्टिस की। अपनी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ मैंने अपने स्वास्थ्य पर भी ध्यान दिया। आखिर स्वस्थ शरीर पे ही स्वस्थ मस्तिष्क का विकास हो सकता है। इन दौरान हमारे माता पिता, शिक्षकगण एवं हमारे बड़े भाई बहनों ने भी हमारी काफ़ी मदद की। उन्होंने इस दौरान हमें पॉजिटिव रखा, वो हमें आगे बढ़ने की ओर निरंतर तरीके से मोटिवेट करते रहे। धन्यवाद।
मैं तबलीम कौर हूँ और आज मैं आपको अपने आने वाले परीक्षाओं की योजना के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। मैंने एक टाइम शेड्यूल बनाया जिसको मैं रोज़ फॉलो करती हूँ और उससे मैं हर एक सब्जेक्ट को अच्छे से पढ़ पा रही हूँ। मैं जो सब्जेक्ट मेरे को कठिन लगते थे मैं उनका रोज़ प्रयास करती हूँ। अब मेरे को लगता है कि मैं परीक्षाओं के लिए तैयार हूँ और मैं बहुत ही उत्साहित हूँ।
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के द्वारा आयोजित किया परीक्षा पे चर्चा कार्यक्रम से हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मदद मिली और हमने यह सीखा कि परीक्षा के दौरान तनाव हमें नहीं लेना चाहिए और इसे एक उत्सव की तरह लेना चाहिए। धन्यवाद।
Pressure will be on you, but this is my suggestion to you all. Don't take any type of pressure. Don't take any type of stress. Okay? Be bold, be confident, and keep on your study. So, how many practicals are left? 2. So, about these practicals or for preparation of the board examination, what can you say?
Sir, we will
Sir,
definitely.
we should make a schedule
Very good.
accordingly.
Time management
For every subject.
and cover the curriculum. Okay, and take the help of the friends, parents, and teachers. Don't take unnecessary stress. So, Joshi, what do you say? Yes, come in, friend. And what do you say about the preparation about the exam?
Sir, we will definitely work hard in order to get good marks in our board exam, and we will try to, sir, be calm during giving our
So, you are having the same schedule from the beginning. You are following, or any special strategy you are having?
Sir, now I am changing my studying style. Sir, I am making new timetable for my preparation because, sir, now I have to increase my studying hours.
Very good, very good. That is very important thing, and you have to go through notes also during the session. You
Yes.
look at the notes and go through them also. And again, my suggestion is that without any stress, important thing is that you have to take care of your health also. It is very important. Okay, if health is lost, so means everything lost. So that's why for food style and that or your atmosphere, you are also the cool atmosphere outside. So according to also you have to shape yourself. Okay. Best of luck for the coming. Or anybody want to say? Yes, sir. What do you say?
Sir, we have to work hard.
Very good. You, Negi, what do you say? Work hard. Yes, you are. Maharaji, what?
100%.
Very good, very good. Yes, sir. Kritika, yes, you say.
So for good examination, time management is very important. We have to get every question put at a time. So I am preparing some sample papers, managing my time accordingly.
Yes, previous year's question paper or solution of the previous year's question paper is also very important. So with these all and best of luck or upcoming examinations. Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.